Introduction.
Mom, we are back from our music class. I am feeling very hungry. Me too.
Okay, kids, take this apple and share among yourselves till I prepare some food for you.
But how do we share it?
Cut the apple with the knife in 2 equal pieces so that both of you get 1/2 of an apple. Children, today we will learn about fractional numbers in our daily life. Come along to know. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain the concept of fractional numbers, identify the numerator and denominator of every fraction, discover how fractions are used to represent parts of a whole and parts of a set, discuss the importance of using fractional numbers in everyday life. Hey, can you count how many circles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But what if there was just half part of a circle? How would we count it? Well, we will use fractions. Fractional numbers are the numbers that represent parts of a whole. Here is a whole birthday cake. Let's cut it into small pieces. Now, if we cut the cake from the middle, we get 2 equal size pieces. Each piece is 1/2 of the whole cake. We can write that as a fraction. This number, called the denominator, tells us total number of pieces that make up one whole. The top number is called the numerator, which shows the number of parts. So, this is 1/2 of the cake. And these are 2 halves of the cake. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1, that is, 1 whole cake. Now let us cut the cake in 4 equal pieces. Each piece represents 1/4 of the whole cake. So, the fraction is 1/4. It is also called quarter. This is 1/4 of the cake. This is 2/4. This is 3/4. And this is 4/4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So 4/4 make 1 whole cake. You can also divide the cake in more number of pieces. Look at these 25 paisa coins. One 25 paisa coin is 1/4 of the 1 rupee coin. Similarly, one 10 rupee note is 1/5 of 150 rupee note. So kids, fractional numbers are used in money too. Remember, we can also use fractional numbers to talk about items in a group. Let's see, there are 13 biscuits on this plate. So, that's our denominator. But the biscuits are not the same type. 6 of them are chocolate biscuits, whereas 7 of them are milk cream biscuits. So those are numerators. Therefore, we can say that 6/13 are chocolate biscuits and 7/13 are milk cream biscuits. Can we divide time into fractions? Yes, look at this clock. The hours would be the whole numbers and the minutes would be the fractions. Since there are 60 minutes in an hour, so each minute is 1/60. You can say 20 minutes would be equal to 20 divided by 60 and it will be equal to 1/3. Hey, how many of you like music? Great! Everybody likes music. In music, you have your whole note, half note and a quarter note, and they all add up to each other, of course. So 2 half notes are the same length as a whole note and 4 quarter notes are the same length as a whole note. Isn't it amazing? Other than that, your mother also uses fractional numbers in her cooking recipes. How will you prepare 1 cup of tea for yourself? you will need half cup of water, isn't it? So you see, fractional numbers are everywhere and they are very helpful to us. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Fractional numbers are the numbers that represent parts of a whole. Numerator determines the number of parts of a whole, whereas denominator tells us total number of parts. 2 halves and 4 quarters are equivalent to 1 whole. Fractional numbers are used in money, in music, in time, in cooking recipes, and so on.